Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre coffee on the go? Well, say goodbye to those bland brews with the banapoy electric Turkish coffee maker machine. This thing is a game changer, and I'm excited to dive into all its amazing features. Made from excellent stainless steel material, this Turkish coffee pot is not only non-toxic and safe, but also incredibly durable, with a solid feel that tells you it's built to last. The multifunctional aspect of this machine is also a major plus, as it can make not only delicious coffee, but also tea and milk, giving you a wide range of options to satisfy your cravings. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why, as it's well-reviewed and popular among coffee enthusiasts. One of the things that really sets it apart is the ease of use, with a simple and intuitive design that makes it easy to get your perfect cup every time. The sound of the machine as it whirs to life is music to your ears, and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee that fills the air is just incredible. Whether you're at home or on the go, this portable espresso maker is the perfect companion, and the after-sales service is top-notch, with 24-hour customer support to help with any issues that may arise. I've used this machine to make everything from rich and creamy lattes to strong and bold Turkish coffee, and the results are always impressive. The texture of the coffee is smooth and velvety, and the flavor is deep and satisfying. It's clear that this machine is a cut above the rest, and I would highly recommend it to anyone looking to take their coffee game to the next level. So why settle for subpar coffee when you can have an amazing cup every time with the banapoy electric Turkish coffee maker machine? Give it a try and taste the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.